Some of you may remember this, but way back in Bulgaria, I had left Bulgaria, went to get into Turkey, and they turned me away at the border because there was a part missing from my V5 van tax document, and I didn't get into Turkey. So I applied for a new one, and the people that I met in Bulgaria agreed to let me lose their address, which was very nice of them. And I took a drive around for a week. I can't remember how long for, but anyway, it didn't come, and it went on and on and on, and eventually just had to leave without it. Once I got to this wee place, quite cheap, settled, fancied a wee bit of a break from driving, so I got a new V5 and used a courier to pick it up from my friend Michelle's, and it was meant to come on Friday, so I've been here over a week at that stage, and then it was meant to come on Saturday, and then it was meant to come on Monday, and I was starting to worry about it, but it has just come. And I can't believe it. Fantastic. I'm absolutely delighted. Thank you, Michelle, and thank you for the St. Paddy's Day card, and although it's past, happy Paddy's Day, everybody. So I'm going to leave here now. Big massive change to my plans. I've had a lot of time to think, but I'll explain later in the video. But off we go again. So here we go. I haven't too far to go today, about 50 miles up the coast, and a couple of things to do along the way, like washing my clothes. And once I get over the water, I'll be looking for somewhere to park up for the night. I'm not going to go to a camping site, just look for somewhere nice and quiet. Off in the distance there, top of the hill, that's the castle I was going to go and visit. I was going to ride to on my bicycle until my bicycle wouldn't work. So I'm afraid this is the closest I'm ever going to get to it. Looks nice. I'm in Patras again, the place with the bridge, and I am well needed clothes clean. I was running out of stuff. I've decided to go north up the west coast, and then I'm going to get a ferry over to the south of Italy, and then go right up through Italy for now. And after that, I haven't decided what I'm going to do, because I was in that campsite for a week. Give me a lot of time to think, and I got a bit bored, so I need to do something different. So tonight I'm going to go through Patras, go over the big bridge. You're not allowed to film it. I wanted to put my drone up, as I said in one of my earlier videos, and I didn't because of the wind, but you're not allowed. So I'm going to head north just for a few miles and find somewhere to stay for the night, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll be going across to Italy, but we'll see how far I get tomorrow. Can't believe how steep this is. I've had to drop into third gear to get up this. What a bridge. Now I read that it's cheaper to use a car ferry going across than it is to pay for the toll on the bridge, but I don't know what the toll on the bridge is, and the toll isn't until you get to the other side. So we'll see. I think that sign said €32, the sign on the right. Not sure. Oh well. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, not too bad. Still the most expensive, but not too bad. I'm happy enough for that. Feels good to be on the road again. This is a lovely spot. I'm way up the mountain, right about here. And lovely and quiet, felt nice and safe. And today I have a 200-mile drive to the ferry, which, if all goes to plan, the ferry's at 3 AM. This is Monday morning, and it's at 3 AM on Tuesday. And then that'll be me in Italy from tomorrow, southern Italy. Time for a cup of coffee, and then on the road again. Said in one of my earlier videos about a lot of Europe is flat. not Greece. Big, epic mountains everywhere, snow-capped and just fantastic. I'm in Italy! Back in Italy, down at the bottom, on the hill. So I didn't bother filming the whole journey in the ferry and whatever. It was quite boring. They made me take my 2 dogs onto the ferry, which didn't happen before. And 8 hours, nightmare, 3 AM, and I think we got off around 11. And Buster, people wanting to come over and pet him. No, you'll take your finger off. Then trying to sleep, and somebody tapped me on the shoulder, and I woke up. Molly, the other side of the ferry in the lounge. I couldn't understand because I had them in leads. She bit right through it. I didn't think she was smart enough. So then I couldn't sleep, even when I got her tied up again. so there you go. So I was glad to get that out of the way, and arrived, drove not very far at all, maybe 20 miles up the coast, found this wee motorhome park, which there's only one other couple, but it's dead on. The motorhomes in there's camping, and so this is dead on. It's nice and quiet. Woke up about an hour ago, slept here found here last night and slept last night, and after that night, 2 or 3 days of on the go, I'll maybe stay tonight. So I'll go and explore the wee town, but it looks beautiful. I drove through it there today. I need a supermarket, and all the supermarkets were closed. There were a couple of bars that were open right enough, and coffee shops, but I'll take another wee run down when I get a chance and have a look. So my plan now is, as I say, I'm going to stay here probably tonight, and then I'm going to head across up north a little bit, and then right across to Naples. I fancy going to Naples, and I'm not going to plan any further ahead at the minute. Pretty nippy here today, a wee bit of wet in the air. So I wanted to bring the dogs down to the beach, but I'm not sure if I'll do that unless it brightens up, gets a wee bit warmer. But I think I'll leave the video there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe would be fantastic. I'm at 98. 100 would be a bit of a milestone. 100 subscribers. And love to hear your comments, any thoughts, any suggestions. But that's it for now, so until next time, bye for now.